In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Substack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to make your publication and profile look and feel like your own. Let's start from the very beginning. First, log into your Substack account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation. Here, you'll want to find and click on Dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center for your publication. After you're in the dashboard, keep your eyes on that left panel again, and this time look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all the main configuration options for your publication live. Inside the settings area, you should immediately see a section near the top called Basics. This section is really important for branding your publication. Here, you can change your publication name, write or update your short description, and upload or replace your publication logo. Take a moment to think about how you want to present your publication. The name should be clear and recognizable. The short description should quickly explain what your content is about, and your logo should be simple and easy to identify, even at smaller sizes. When you upload a logo, try to use a clear, high-quality image that still looks good when scaled down. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save them before moving on. Now that the basics of your publication are in place, let's customize your personal profile, which is what readers see when they click on your name. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings again, but this time you're accessing your account level settings. In this area, find the section labeled Account. Under Account, look for the Profile section. On the right side of that profile section, you'll see an Edit button. Click Edit, and a new page will load with all your profile customization options. Here, you can update your profile icon, which is your personal avatar, your display name, your handle, your bio, and your cover image. Choose a profile icon that clearly represents you, and a cover image that fits your style or niche. Use your bio to briefly tell readers who you are and what they can expect from your work. When you're happy with everything, save your changes, and your customized Substack is ready to share with the world.